Today's lesson is all about why you're attracting other bakers and you're not attracting local customers. So if you are new here, my name is Amanda and I help home bakers market their bakeries on Instagram. So I get this question a lot where people are coming to me and they're like, Amanda, I have no idea why I'm not getting orders. All these bakers are following me, engaging with me and commenting on my posts, but I'm not getting local customers engaging or ordering. Every single time I go to a baker's profile, because I like to kind of look at, okay, what are you doing? How can we improve your strategy? There's two main things that come up, and that's what I want to share with you today. The very first reason why you are attracting other bakers is that you are coming across as a baking blogger and not someone who's selling products on Instagram. So what I mean by this is that you are sharing recipes or tagging local vendors or online businesses where you're purchasing your supplies and products. This makes you come off as a baking blogger and not someone who actually sells products, because you have to think about, what do my customers want to see? So if you're sharing like the exact recipe of your chocolate drip, or you're sharing where you purchase this specific cake box, do your customers really want to see that? Or is that more information that's helpful for other bakers? So always think, how is this helping my customers learn more about me, my products? How is it encouraging them to make that purchase? That's the first thing I notice a lot when I look at bakers' profiles, is some of them have these detailed recipes and tutorials, and I'll look at the comments and 99% of them are from other bakers where they're saying like, oh my gosh, thank you for sharing this and things like that. And in the beginning, if you're getting those types of comments, that might feel really good. You're getting engagement, but you're not getting engagement necessarily from the right people. Don't get me wrong, you can share tutorials and do behind the scenes like process shots and videos and things like that. But once you start getting into like the details and recipes and exact products you're using and all of that, that might gear you into the whole baking blogger realm. So just be very mindful and think about what your customers want to see. The second main reason why you're attracting other bakers, and this is what you can change starting today, it's your hashtags. Hashtags are so important because they help you get found from local customers. And the main thing I'm seeing is that a lot of bakers are using very generic or general or industry specific hashtags. Now what I mean by that is they're using things like hashtag cake, hashtag cupcakes. Some industry specific examples are hashtag bakers of Instagram or hashtag cake pick of the day. First off, there are probably millions of posts connected to that hashtag. And secondly, how is a local customer going to find you? Because I guarantee you a local customer in your city is not searching the hashtag bakers of Instagram in order to find someone in their area. So again, these are hashtags that probably other bakers are using, but it comes back to, who are you trying to attract, right? Are you just trying to get popular or go viral on Instagram, or are you trying to get sales and engagement from actual people who are going to buy from you? It's the one thing that you can do starting today where you can get more local customers finding you. Remember, the main reasons why you're attracting other bakers is because, one, you're using language or providing content that is specifically for other bakers, like you're using language that only other bakers would understand. And two, you're using hashtags that are super generic, super general, and what other bakers would be searching and not necessarily your customers. So remember that Instagram is a marketing tool for your business. This is very different than using it for personal reasons. So it's not about just getting likes and follow. It's about getting actual customers engaging with you and purchasing from you. The underlying theme when it comes to Instagram and you not getting orders or the right people aren't following you, it's because you don't have a strategy and you're not posting with intention. Maybe you're posting very randomly right now. That is not the way to use Instagram. It's a great way to waste time, but if you want to use Instagram to actually get orders and engage with local customers and really build your business here, you have to have a strategy and post with intention. If you are at that point where you're just like, I really need one-on-one help, I want to get more engagement, I've been doing this long enough where I want to see results and orders coming in and local customers following me, then reach out to me, because there is a way for you to work one-on-one with me through my Instagram intensive. And this is where I curate and personalize your Instagram content, your calendar, and your strategy for you so that you don't have to. I want you to have more time to actually bake, because I know a lot of you here are one-woman shows doing all the things, and Instagram is really overwhelming for you. So if after this training you're like, you know what, I really want strategy, I want someone to make my hashtag sets for me, I want someone to tell me what to post, this is the Instagram intensive for you. Feel free to send me a DM and I'd love to chat.